Who is that? Are you making faces? Can you blow the baby a kiss? Can you say love you? Can you find your hat?
Okay.
Is the teacup a hat? Put it on your head. Good job. Can you sing A, B, C, D, E?
Not two.
You gonna put the nut on your hat too? Good job. Look at the baby in her head. Can you sing the alphabet?
Cups.
Oh, you're gonna catch the butterfly? Look, Mama has another one. Can you show us what the butterfly does? Now catch it with the net. Wow, good job. Sit in your giraffe. Good job. Can you sit in the zebra too? Okay. Are you going to catch the ball? Wow. Are you going to give her a squeeze tight? Squeeze her really tight. Aw, is she your baby? Can you give the baby a kiss? Is that your kitchen over there?
Good.
Squeeze her again.
Cups.
Oh, your cups too?
Cups too.
Put them on your table, the tree table.
Then sit down. Play.
Are you going to play with your cups? Can you see the baby? What are you doing? Are you stacking? Can you tell us the colors? Is that one green? What color is the next one?